Hey children, today we will do I sound three-letter words. But before start I sound three-letter words, we will do the revision of E sound three-letter words. So first we will do ED at sound word. B at bed, F at fed, L at led, R at red, red, T at tad, WED w at wed, Z at z. After that we will do EG X sound. B at bag, L at leg, P at peg. After that we will do EN sound. B and ben, H and hen, M and man, P and pan, T and tan, Z and zen. And after that we did ET sound. So let's see which are the ET sound words. G at get, L at let, N at net, P at pat, S at set, V at wet, Y at yet. Okay, so here we completed our E sound revision and now we will do I sound three-letter words. So children, shall we start I sound rhyming words?
Teacher, can I also study with my friends? टीचर, can I also study? हमें पढ़ाइए ना टीचर, प्लीज हमें पढ़ाइए ना.
ओके चलो आप भी पढ़ाई कर लो आज हमारे साथ. ओके ना बच्चों? ओके फाइन चलो. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डू IT sound three-letter words, rhyming words with it sound. What is the it sound words? First, LIT, LIT. LIT means lit. What is lit? Lit is the past tense of light. Do you know light? There is a light at your home. When you feel darkness, so what you are switch on? You are switch on the light. So lit is the past tense of light. Now the next, which word will come? BIT, bit. Bit means thoda sa. See, I fell asleep for a bit. Means मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए सो गई थी. I fell asleep for a bit. Now the next word is SIT. Sit. Every day teacher is telling you now, children sit down, children stand up, sit down. What is sit? Sit yani बैठ जाओ. Now the next is hit. Hit. You know that very well because I know that. आप लोग बहुत झगड़ा करते हो ना एक दूसरे से, तो भी एक दूसरे को पंच मारते हो ना. That is hit. See here, I show you one pic. See this. This is punch. And what is he doing? He is hitting. Now I show you one more pic. This boy is hitting the drum. See, this is also hit. HIT, hit. So, which are the it sound rhyming words? LIT, lit, BIT, bit, SIT sit, HIT hit. Why? Because all words ending sounds are same. IT it. Okay. Now after that we will do more rhyming words. So children, now we will do IB ip sound words. Which is the ip sound word? B-I-B. B-I-B. Bib. What is bib? Do you know that small children, when they are having any food, then they are wearing this bib at their near their neck, so they cannot do dirty their clothes. Now the next is NIB, nib, nib. What is nib? It is the pointed part of the ball pen or pencil. This is nib. Next word is SIB, sib, sib. Sib means sibling. Means your brother, your sisters, you all are siblings. So this is the short form of sibling. The next word is RIB, rib, rib. What is rib? It is long curved bones which are in 12 pairs. It should be in humans or in animals. I show you the picture of the rib. See children, these are the curved bones. Okay, so it's called rib. It will be in humans and in animals also. So children, now we will do in sound rhyming words. Which are the in sound? P-I-N, P-I-N, pin. See, this is pin. The next is B-I-N, that is bin. What is bin? Okay, tell me children. Where you all are throwing your waste? In this dustbin. So that is bin. Now next is wait. Next is F-I-N, fin. What is fin? This is face, and here this is fin. Fish is swimming with its fin, otherwise it cannot swim. Now the next is tin, T-I-N, tin. What is tin? I know that you all are drinking Pepsi, Coke, and it is in tin, but you should not drink this. It is bad for health. So now we will do again one more time. I-N sound. P-I-N, pin. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. T-I-N, tin. So children, here we completed our IT eat sound, IB ip sound and IN in sound rhyming words.
थैंक यू टीचर, हमें बहुत मजा आया.